Hey guys, welcome to day 49 of 100 Days of Code. We're almost halfway, and today we've got a really special project for you. Now, I know a lot of you guys are learning programming to get a new job or change the area in which you work and basically just find better opportunities for yourself. So, today's project is going to test what you've learned about how to work with Selenium, and we're going to be building a automated job application bot. This is going to put all the skills that we've learned yesterday into use, where we get Selenium WebDriver to drive a browser to open up a website and apply for jobs. So applying for jobs can be quite tedious, working through each of the applications, filling in the required details, and hoping that your application stands out. So let's see if we can make this easier for ourselves by automating the process. Now, one of the ways that a lot of people apply for jobs is on LinkedIn. So they have this section called Jobs. And when you go there, you can search for the kind of jobs you're looking for, where you're looking to work. You can even add in filters like show remote jobs only, where you can work from anywhere in the world. And they've also got this really neat feature called Easy Apply. And all you have to do is just to click on this button, Easy Apply, fill in any of the fields that you haven't filled in before, and then just click Submit Application. Some applications are a little bit more complicated than this. This is the simplest format. Now, in order to actually show you the whole process without messing with anybody else's job applications, I decided to create a job posting on LinkedIn from our own company. So we're currently looking for a marketing intern to help us launch courses. And when I click on this job, you can see this Easy Apply button show up. So if I click on Easy Apply and I fill in my dummy phone number, then I click on Next, then I can include a resume. Now, the resume comes from your settings. So if you go to your settings and privacy, and you go to job seeking preferences, then here you can actually already pre-upload your resume. Once you've done that, then when you click Easy Apply, you'll see the resume already uploaded, so we don't even have to do that using our bot. Finally, we click Review, and we're ready to go ahead and send and submit our application. So that's how easy it is to submit our application. And you can see that there's only 4 or 5 steps that we need to automate in order to apply for a job. So that's the project for today. And I hope you're as excited as I am to tackle this project. And you might even see a practical use for it in the future. Once you're ready, head over to the next lesson where you'll find step-by-step instructions on how to complete this project.